Hello, purchasers over the world. Are you looking for a real China factory as your reliable supplier? We are also eager to find our overseas buyers. We are Ningbo Chenshen Plastic Industry, a over 20-year-old mold factory. We specialize in making injection mold and mass production of plastic components. Our factory is equipped with injection machines from 380 tons to 780 tons. This one is for large volume injection molding, and it's not working today, but this piece is from this machine. But this is an unqualified one. And this one is for small volume injection molding. Thanks to the robotic arm, we don't need to monitor the whole process. It can work by itself day and night. This area is where we place our CNC machines. These two are for carving large molds. And we can see one is working and one is being adjusted by our molders. These two are for small molds. Obviously, one is working. We can see it's carving on an iron block. And another one, we usually use it to carve EDM parts. This area is where we store our raw plastic materials to avoid the fluctuations of the price of resin. You can see we have a rich storage of plastics.